So you welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be teaching you how to make rosemary and the fenugreek water for hair growth. Okay, so make una just hear this better gist. I'll say it in pidgin. Don't mind my voice, I have cough. So um this rosemary water will help you grow your full hair. It will help your hair grow full and fine. So I have to warm the water. I'll put it in the microwave for some minutes just to make sure I don't want to use cold water. So you use warm water. You put it in the microwave for some minutes, and when it's warm, you bring it out. So I'm just waiting for the water to heat up. You see this rosemary and fenugreek seed water, they are magic combo. Now magic combo for hair. It will full your hair. It will strengthen your hair. So it's done now. You can see it's hot. Rosemary go help hair grow fast. It go stop hair wey dey fall. If your hair always fall, this water you spray it every day. It will help your hair. It will stop hair fall. It go even make your scalp fresh, no dandruff. No, if you have dandruff, this rosemary water and fenugreek seed will help you to stop it. No dandruff wahala again. The fenugreek go strengthen your hair from root. It dey stop breakage. It go make your hair soft, full and shine like mirror. So these two combo na bomb. If you use this water every day, you spray it on your hair every day. Now your hair go dey thank you every day. You spray them. After you spray, you come massage them into your hair. You massage it into your hair. You will thank me later after watching this video. So I'm going to put it like this. I'm going to leave it overnight. I'm going to leave it to the following day. You can see the water now is clear. So this is the following day. You see? You can see how it has fermented. It has changed color. Yeah. It has fermented. This is following day. So I'm going to strain it out. I will strain it. Then after straining it, I will now preserve it. I'll portion it in some nylon. If you have nylon, I use Ziploc. I'll portion it, then put it in the freezer. I bring it out one by one every week. I'll put it in a spray bottle and put it in the fridge to spray my hair. That is how I used to use it. Some other benefits of rosemary is that it stimulates hair growth. It improves blood circulation to the scalp, promoting stronger hair follicles, and it prevents hair loss. Yeah, it suits itchy scalp. It has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, and it reduces dandruff. It helps control flaking and irritation, and it darkens hair naturally. It may slow down premature graying, and it adds shine to your hair. It gives the hair a glossy, healthy look. These are some benefits of rosemary. And some benefits of fenugreek is that it strengthens hair's roots. So here I put it in a bottle, spray bottle. I'll put it in the fridge. I'll bring it out every day. You don't have to wash your hair every day. This tea is amazing. Just use it. If you have loss of hair, if your edge is gone, just spray it and massage it before you apply your oil and your cream. So fenugreek strengthens hair roots. It is rich in protein and nicotinic acid to prevent breakage. It fights dandruff. You see this combo, this fenugreek and rosemary, it's a banger. It fights dandruff, it reduces hair shedding, and it improves your hair texture. Just be consistent with it. It improves hair texture, it promotes faster hair growth, and it treats dry scalp. Make sure you are consistent. You can use it every day. Instead of washing your hair every day, this is what I use for myself. You use it every day. You massage it before you apply your oil and your cream. So that's about the water, rosemary water. So in my next video, I'll try and make rosemary oil. Yes, rosemary oil for hair growth. Just make sure you subscribe to this channel, please. Subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.